Cause of irregular periods.
Hi, my name is Nicole and I write for the website healthybalancediet.org.
The possible cause as to why irregular bleeding occurs in between periods could be because of abnormalities that may involve the female reproductive system, or in most cases, hormones. This could also attribute to irregular periods. Dysfunctional uterine bleeding. A woman may only be sure that she has dysfunctional uterine bleeding if she has undergone a series of laboratory tests and for clinical examinations. Women have problems with ovulating because of hormonal imbalance. Treatment for this includes oral contraceptive pills or inducing ovulation if a woman wishes to get pregnant. Pregnancy complications. If you are aware that you are experiencing irregular periods, health experts recommend that you first have it checked and treated before getting pregnant, because a woman may not be aware that the bleeding is no longer due to irregular periods, but because of pregnancy complications already. Possible pregnancy complications that manifest bleeding are ectopic pregnancy or pregnancy outside the uterus. Uterine polyps. Uterine polyps is the growth of the uterine wall that protrudes within the cavity of the uterus and can also cause irregular periods. Women who are diagnosed with uterine polyps are mostly in their 40s, but it may also happen to women in their younger years. Cause is still unknown, but health experts have noted that it is common among women who are obese, hypertensive, and have undergone tamoxifen therapy for breast cancer.
For more on healthy diets and tips, visit us at www.healthybalancediet.org. Until the next video, thank you for watching.